So we've removed all the rot and we got finished last night around 10 o'clock. We have a nice street light here to work by. So I'm ready to, it's about 6 in the morning and we're ready to start rebuilding. Turns out I had some 2x4s I located and some other lumber that's about the right sizes. So kind of lucked out because this isn't our normal, this is at our 142 Shaw Avenue property, and all my other stuff is up in Waverly. So sometimes you have to work with what you have at the location. But I think we have good stuff. We're going to rebuild this so it's really strong, and then we can put our post back on, which we did build already. You can see it over here. Started that a week ago and gradually built it in the wood shop. Did some caulking on it last night. Still have a molding to put on the bottom, but see, a bunch of these are missing that molding. And then here's one that has the molding. So I need to take a piece of this back with me, and then I need to make a bunch of this so I can finish out all the posts. And then I'll do this one too at the same time. So let's get our stuff around and start building this back.